Hello everyone. Uh, First upon introducing myself, my name is Rahul Salunke. I have completed BCS from Solapur University and today's topic is what is array and today's date is 21 July 2021. Then discuss about the array. Normally in array is collection of similar type of element which has continuous memory location. Java array object which contain element of similar data type. Additionally, the elements in array are stored in continuous memory location. It is data structure where we store in similar element. We can store only fixed set of the element in Java. Array in Java index base, the first element of the array is stored in the zeroth index. Second element is stored in first index, and so on. Unlike C++, we can get the length of the array using the length memory in C++. We need to use the size of operator. Uh, in Java array is an object of dynamically generate the class. Java array inherit the object class and implement the resizable as well as consumable interface. We can store the primitive value or object in the array in Java. Like C++, we can also creating the single dimensional multi-dimensional array in Java. Move where Java provided the future and most the array which can not available C and C++. The Java is a store in a index of the value. They pass the one element, then that can store the element in zeroth position, and pass the second element. Index are one, and data stored in second element. The advantages of the Java code optimize. It make the code optimized. We can rewrite the short in the data efficiently. Random access. We can get the any data located at the index position. Disadvantages of the array. Size of limit. We can store the only fixed size of element in the array. It doesn't give the size at the runtime to solve the problem. Collection framework used in Java which grow the automatically. Types of array in Java. Basically, there are two types in array: single dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. Single dimensional array in Java, uh, syntax of the single dimensional array, data type, array signature, array name, that's in single dimensional, and array uh, instantiation of the array in Java, array, uh, array object name, and new data type in size. For example, let's the simple example of the Java where we going to declare the instance and initialize the travels in array. Then simple creating a class, that's main method in public static void main, and integer a array size, and and int array 5 size are declared. A of 0 is equal to 10, a of 1 is equal to 20, a of 2 is equal to 70, a of 3 is equal to 40, a of 4 is equal to 50. And uh, printing the array that time for int I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus system dot out dot println a of I, that time output is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There is it is the array of the Java. We can declare the instance initialize the Java array together by int array of a in bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, that time, and printing the array that time for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus system dot out dot println a of I, that time 1 2 3 4 5. For each loop of for array, we can also print the Java array using for each loop. The Java for the each loop print the array element one by one. In hold the array element variable, this executed the body of the loop. Okay, passing the array of method in Java. We can pass the Java array method so that we can reuse the sum logic only in array. Mm, and most array in Java. They support the features of an most array, so you don't need the declare the array using the passing in array to methods. uh, Public class test animos array creating method which reuse the array in parameter static int array, then pass the array integer for I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus system dot out dot println array of I, then main method call the uh, array, pass the integer 10, 1 2 3 4 5, then output is 10 20 30 40 50, retrying the array from the methods. We can also the return array from the methods in Java. Then class is the test of array, return test of the array, static int get method call, then return new int 10 20 30 40 50, then main method is integer array get method, that time for int I is equal to 0, array of a dot length I plus plus system dot out dot println array of I, that time 10 20 30 40 50, then return this value. Array index out of bound, array index out of bound exception, then Java virtual machine throw the array index out of bound exception, length of the array in negative equal to size to general the array in size traveling in array, then creating array in bracket 10 20 30 40 50, that time uh, uh, this method is called the array of 30 array a of array 30 variable in accessing, that time pass the exception, that's called is array index out of bound exception. That's all about the array in Java. So thank you so much.